Good morning. I just wanted to show you the before of a little project we're going to be doing here today. This customer bought this new home, and the builder just put in a simple mulch bed. Didn't even put any kind of edging or anything like that in. So what we're going to do is we're going to reshape this bed today, give it some nice curves. We're going to put down fabric, and then we're going to put down some really pretty white river rock. So it's going to look really nice. So we're going to do this front bed and then this small bed on the side. You'll also notice that their lawn is a mess. They've just had an irrigation system put in, which I would highly recommend in our area. We'll work on getting that all filled in this spring, because they're also our lawn care customers, so we'll make sure that we get that thickened up and get the lawn looking better. All right, fast forward many hours later, we've got our bed all prepped for the stone. This took, like I said, several hours. You can see that if you remember the original video, we greatly widened this bed and we gave it some attractive curves and also cut this nice edge in here. And as we've said before, that edge is crucial to be able to keep the grass from growing into the bed. So when either you or our crews are maintaining the lawn, we can just turn our trimmers up at 90 degrees and keep that edge nice and clean and keep the grass from growing in there. But you can see we're all prepped. We've added a good bit of space to these beds. And over here you can see this side. And the fabric is only necessary with stone. It's not really so much for a weed barrier as it is to keep the stone from settling in the ground. Because the stone is so dense, it will actually sink into the ground. If you've ever had a gravel driveway, then you know what I mean, because you have to replenish the gravel every year or two because it sinks into the ground. Same thing with a stone. They're still going to get weeds on this. Eventually dirt will get on top of the fabric and then they'll have weeds. But like I said, the main purpose of the barrier is to keep the stone from settling. We don't recommend it at all for wood mulch. This is nice South Carolina river rock. It's a pretty white color with some tans and different reddish kind of shades in there, but really nice stuff. So we're going to get this put in, and then we'll make another video, show you the final product. All right, just finished up. Got our rock all spread. Turned out really well. It'll look really good by the middle of next summer once we get this lawn back in shape. Right now it's the beginning of January and the grass is dormant, and like I said, we've got some work to do on this lawn. Next year is our first year taking care of it.